ਗੱਡੀ ਜਰਾ ਸਾਈਡ ਲਾਈ ਨੂੰ
Good morning everyone, 93Rider here. Today is 12th August and time right now is 7:20 and right now I am in Chandigarh. Took the hotel here last night. Today is Sunday and we were supposed to go on a ride, but what if I tell you I woke up at 4:30 in the morning and almost after 3 hours it's raining. It's continuously raining. Let me show you. Now I'm going out for the tea and getting ourselves the toothpaste because we forgot to carry that. I don't know from where I'll get myself tea because reception pe to koi nahi tha. People are just staring at me as it usually happens with the other vloggers, but it's happening with me for the first time because I am not used to this vlogging. I don't really vlog this much on the roads. चाय मिल जाएगी चाय? हाँ वहीं पर। और इधर होटल से नहीं होता। So unfortunately होटल पे चाय तो अवेलेबल नहीं है। बाहर से मैं अपने लिए ये ब्रश और टूथपेस्ट लिया। And I forgot to tell you that I am with South Delhi biker, which you saw in the last previous video of the ride to Naina Devi and Anandpur Sahib. If you missed that video, don't forget to check that out.
2,000 years later.
Alright, the time right now is 11:37. अभी around 20 minutes back बारिश stop हुई है and we came out. He is the commuter dude, came to meet me. So he has some issue with the tappet, so this is why his Duke takes a lot of time to start up. Now we are going towards lake. सुबह की ride तो नहीं हो पाई, but we'll try to do some city ride. So these are the beautiful streets of Chandigarh. I was missing these a lot. This is why I wanted to come here from so long. So finally on this weekend I got the chance, I got some time, but although the weather ruined the whole scene, but nothing could be done. ऐसे ही राइट लेना ना या क्यों? So if you have two girls at the back, you can do tripling in Chandigarh. Okay. Look how wide and clean these roads are. But these are filled of this kind of shit. Alright, we have almost reached Sukna Lake. So we have reached Sukna Lake. The South Delhi biker is going to see the lake for the very first time. He hasn't come here yet. So for those who are not from Chandigarh and never been to the Sukna Lake, here it is. So these were like a bunch of people who were asking us about the action cameras and all that stuff, and they got really excited. Because still these things are very new to the people and they are asking about quality and all those things. It's nice to have some conversation like that. So we came out of the lake and now we have to cross the road. And for crossing the road there is a light and you can press this button to turn the light green into red. Press it. Yeah. And light will turn into the red after a couple of seconds and then you can cross. And people are still crossing. The people have stopped and they have noticed the camera and they are talking about there is a guy vlogging who have pressed the button and the dog. So it's kind of an interesting thing. You should try out. Maybe some people are gonna follow the rules and be on the safer side. The time right now is 1:10 and we left from Sukna Lake and currently we are going to the Triumph showroom just to test ride the new Tiger. Wow, these kids are washing their motorcycles with the rainwater. How precious that moment was. I mean, imagine the love they have for their bicycles. And wow, see the long line of cars. We are just in front of Elante Mall. Thank you sir, thank you sir. ऐसा आगे लेन तो इधरों. Okay, so they asked us to go to the wrong side. I just hope no one will get offended. Here I get the first look of the Triumph bikes. Oh my god, they look so good. Oh my god, I'm feeling like it. Unfortunately, the test ride of the Tiger was not available, which I asked for, because the Tiger has gone to an event. This is the Tiger 1200, which I'm not interested in, and the Ford Mustang, looking so beautiful. You know, Sukhpreet wanted to test ride the BMW G310. Holy crap, that Mini is looking damn beautiful, the convertible one. Here are the BMW bikes. Many of BMW bikes. Unique BMW motorcycle. They're very old. I don't really know its name. It might be some old GS F650. Holy fuck, the GS looks like humongous. Okay. Okay. How is the seat?
Also,
Feel the edges.
better than that.
So I'm gonna ride Commuter Dudes, the Duke 200, just for the sake of fun, because the last time when I rode the Duke 200, that time I didn't have any action camera. At that time I made the video on the phone, and it got plenty of good response from the viewers. And at least now I have the GoPro. Okay, so Triumph showroom is on that side, and here is the BMW Krishna. This bike feels pretty smooth as compared to mine. की हो गया?
गड्डी जरा साइड लाइन
तेरी मां दी लाना
ठीक है ना वो याद ना करके रखियो नो
होया की
यार मेरे वाले मिडिल फिंगर आप दिखा रहा फिर मैंने कह रहा तू गाल कटी तू भैन को गाल कटूंगा मैं तेरी यार नहीं
होया की सी
यार फोन चला रहा है लंगर दे नहीं रहा आगे
हां
साइड ला मैं तो कहना देने यार मिडिल फिंगर दिखा रहा मैं हाथ चक फिर मोरे ले आके रोटी मगर डर मारे तेरा भैन दे
छेतर फेरने सी के भैन दे. So the South Delhi biker had the road rage with a car guy who was texting on his phone, texting or something like that, and then the middle finger, something happened in between both of them. यहाँ देखें टोनी चिल एंड ग्रिल. Wherever you feel like, there's free parking everywhere. It's not like back home in Canada.
ठीक है यार हर चीज लिमिट में
Braking performance is quite good for its weight and the type of motorcycle this is. So this is the Mustang, came out of the BMW showroom. Sounds beautiful. मैं मोहाली जाना ना खरड़ जाना. See ya. अच्छा लगा मिलके. Alright folks, the time right now is 5 in the evening, and we all just took the test ride of BMW motorcycles. Me and the South Delhi biker rode the BMW GS, and the Commuter dude rode the R version. So that video you must have watched on the channel before. So if you have enjoyed it, do leave the thumbs up and your comment. And And now the South Delhi biker will go to his house to the Nawa Shahar, and I'll be going to Mohali because I have to meet someone and then I'll be getting back to home. So I'm just closing down my video here. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for the more videos like this. And along with that, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, because on those two platforms I keep my feed updated with the current content. So don't forget to follow me over there. So that's all for today's video. See ya in the next one.